Good morning. It is now just damn early. So today we just got a call. I'm heading down to the seaside where we get some of our fresh caught fish from the fisherman. We're going to link up with Andy and Beenie. Andy and Beenie come from right up from the hill, where's Mayal, Tower Hillside right there. And we're going to link up with them, see what kind of fish them catch this morning. They've been out all night fishing in the water. They called me this morning. They said they have lobster, them have crab, them have a host of things down there what we need to go check and get a belly full of. So we're head out right now, head down to the seaside. It's around 7:45. It's a little early for me, but good time to touch the seaside, see what kind of fire I strike. Light up a fire, roast some fish, roast some lobster and thing fresh from the water straight to the fire. And we'll see what I go on. Big up. Yeah, Beenie.
Yeah, man.
Fresh catch. I want to listen to Beenie that I see you all night. I look at something after it.
Oh, yeah, man.
What you doing? Not clean. Just come in.
Just come in.
How long you out there catch it?
That's about 7.5 hours.
7 hours out there.
7 hours. 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock last night ago.
6 o'clock.
We just reached the spot, but half the trick is trying to cross the road. I mean, usually they can U-turn and park, but come across now. And this is where them string up the fish, them live and direct. Fresh lobster, fresh fish. Straight from seaside. Look at that crab. Those going home with us. Everything on a stringer. I move with you. I have to give them on our crabs. From 11 o'clock last night. Where one box are there? Where are they? Everything up? Up! 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 Long time I don't see my boss. What are David? You know hear me ask you? What are David? Me there, man, you good? Me there while with Beenie, man. What are David? Bless up, bless up, bless up. Come.
Lobster farm grill and them something there now. Fresh on the ocean to the fire. Not what the right thing.
Everything pan pot, no fire.
Yeah, I mean, he won't show him cheap beach, you know. Being at this one never work with man. Go so.
So let's set up on the fire now.
Lobster, fish and roast, fresh from the grill, from the sea to the grill.
Right, so.
Yeah.
Go right, so.
Beenie production.
One of them chunk fish.
Buck, great buck, yeah.
Yeah, man, wrench man.
Yeah. Ball and
Bun finger.
yeah. Sunfish.
Sunfish. Sweet tuna.
Lobster done.
Lobster them off late.
Straight.
Come and support the thing, isn't it?
so.
Oh, yeah, man. Chop.
So I tell them about fishing and when they're cooking and everything.
I am man cooking.
Welcome to all the party and them thing that when Beenie are trying to keep bashment.
You know, I'm cooking, so go and see when I play.
On every corner of the beach there's somebody cooking, and there's somebody cooking a different variety or species of fish or crustacean. Everybody have them own section where them get them fresh fish what just come in. Right there, this cup of the banana leaf shot. Nobody using any seasoning. The only seasoning is the salt water, where this fish is cleaned, where this fish come from. This fish is just put on the fire with the scales on. This is why we call it bun finger. More flavor, keep the salt water in there. So that is the seasoning. And then now when you peel it off, it burn your finger. So we are fresh from the seaside, just get back. We got over 20 something pounds of lobster. It's fresh lobster, as you can see. We just picked it up from seaside. Big up Andy, big up Beenie, big up everybody down at the seaside. Big up every fisherman in Jamaica, because trust me, it's not an easy job and more time we haggle for the price. But anything we want to set, trust me, it's worth it. I mean, the fish, the lobster, everything that we got were so fresh, they were still moving. We end up buying from 3 different people. You see how it is, it's like a market down there. You can go down there on a Tuesday, you can go down there on a Friday. Sundays were the days that we ended up going down there the most. You go down there, you buy your fish, you can roast it right there. It's just a good camaraderie, good stuff on the seaside. Have a one drink, but support the thing, support a local fisherman. Head out there, get some local fish. Make sure that it's good fish that not hurting our ecosystems. You can buy the lionfish. I'm not a fan of buying the parrotfish. The parrot helps to build the reefs and stuff like that, so I don't really support the parrotfish buying or the parrotfish eating. Still a sweet fish, I just don't personally support it, because we're all about building up the reefs, building up Jamaica, making sure that our children can see what we had or come and have something better than what we have. So big up everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, boom.